What began as a sacred gathering of faith turned into a scene of unimaginable chaos and heartbreak. The annual Shirgaon Jatra in Goa, one of the most vibrant and spiritually significant festivals, was marred by a tragedy as a stampede claimed lives and left dozens injured. At least 6 people lost their lives and over 15 were injured in a tragic stampede during the annual Shirgaon Jatra at the revered Lehrai Devi Temple in North Goa. According to North Goa SP Akshat Kaushal, the stampede unfolded when a densely packed crowd surged forward in a sloped area, triggering panic and chaos. Eyewitnesses described horrifying scenes as people fell over each other, desperately trying to flee. Many were trampled in the confusion. The injured were rushed to nearby hospitals for treatment, and initial assessments suggest overcrowding and lack of adequate crowd control were likely contributors to the tragedy. PM Modi expressed his condolences via social media, stating that he was saddened by the loss of lives due to the stampede. He also spoke with Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant to ensure adequate support for the victims and their families. But are you aware of what is Shirgaon Jatra? Well, Shirgaon Jatra, also known as the Lehrai Jatra, is one of the Goa's most iconic religious festivals held in honor of goddess Lehrai. It is celebrated in the village of Shirgaon in Bicholim. The event typically takes place in April or May, drawing over 50,000 devotees from Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Notably, Lehrai Devi is venerated as a powerful goddess, protector, healer and symbol of divine strength and fertility. And this whole Jatra has unique rituals and devotion. A standout ritual of the festival is the Hom Khan or fire walking ceremony. Devotees, known as Dhons, fast for days, some even for a month. They then take a holy dip in Devichi Tali, dance around a sacred fire all night and finally walk barefoot over a bed of glowing embers. The ritual signifies extreme devotion, purification and spiritual connection to the goddess. The event concludes with a grand procession of the deity amidst drums, chants and offerings. Now, overall, as investigations continue and families mourn their loss, this year's Shirgaon Jatra stands as a grim reminder that even in moments of divine celebration, safety must never be overlooked.